Here, look at this. Here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Pick up this apple, no hands. Ready?
I'll do it. I'll clench it.
Clench it. Clench it. you got it.
Yeah.
It just fell out of your cheeks.
Nah, I'm running away with this thing clenched.
It fell out. It's
Dude, it's in my ass. Don't worry about it. That's about to fall out when I catch some air. Woo! Oh, there it goes. See it? Just bounce away.
Yeah, there it goes. Again. Oh.
Oh, just railed you right in the mouth as I did a 360.
You didn't, dude. I hit you right in the fucking scrotum.
Turned around and bopped you right in the fucking nose.
Alright, we're going Bravo, or we're going Resort, or we're going hellaciously weird.
Something that lets me pop all these Vicodin.
Let's go Kaio then. Hellaciously Vicodin. Here you go. Here we go. Vicodin. It's all you need in life.
Hey, this is where I went on a crossbow rampage.
No, it's not, dude.
Yeah,
Wrong
it's
fucking.
yeah.
No, it's not.
I can show you the clip.
It's no. You went on a fucking rampage over in Kampong.
No, I got the clip. I know this is right here. I could show you exactly where the kills were and everything too.
This
right
wasn't
here in
it.
That corner.
Wasn't it? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
All right, well, you better grab a crossbow and do
clip.
something fancy. I'm over one guy and his other friend's over to the right. Please present it. Oh my god! I almost high-fived that dude. Fucking really weird. Oh, I got myself a gun and a backpack.
Glad you're not mildly autistic. Only slightly.
Definitely more than mildly.
Dude, I got some fucking mannequins.
Is that you loading?
No.
Dude's not far. Quit loading shit up there.
Dude, I'm just gonna load all these guns and just keep dropping them.
I got one above me. That's you. Never mind.
No, but they landed over here.
One's right here, close. The other one's far back. They're both weird and gay.
I say, I remember. Oh! Oh!
Took my vest, you fucking fuck. You're gonna just drop your top hat? Budgie!
I'm stuck.
I was in your ass. I had you just Viagra'd up, dude. You were definitely stuck. Oh, did I just hear another footstep? Watch out. Careful. I thought I just heard another footstep. Wasn't yours. I don't know. Yeah, okay.
I did something.
Where's your sister at? Just wait. He's gonna push. Just wait. Just wait. Where's he gonna? See, that's what that fucking listening's for.
Shut up.
Oh, Sheriff Shim.
Sheriff!
Sheriff Shim, you gonna die, boy.
Sheriff, where are you? I want to stick something in your mouth.
Sheriff? Oh, whoa.
Ah, they're both over here! I can't BM me, motherfucker. Second floor.
He's dead.
Sheriff!
Oh, shh. Close.
Yes, me.
No, there's someone else close. Like outside this concrete fucking wall close.
Sheriff. My panicked ass snap reaction. I thought I downed the sheriff, but I was horribly mistaken.
Someone just reloaded right here next to me. On this wall. Behind you. This way. Right here. Next to me.
I feel like I hear somebody laying down over here. Shimmying. Say to remember. Ah! There ain't nobody out here.
Are you scared and want to run? Is that what's going on? Or
I jumped through the wall to hoping to do a sick 360 snapshot, but there's nobody there.
hey, let me get a snapshot of that outfit.
Don't worry about my outfit. I'm fabulous.
Fabulous. Fledger, now's the perfect time for it.
What's Fledger gonna do? Stick his thumb up there?
No, he's gonna call you something that I just absolutely love.
Ye fucking cunt!
Yes, you can't take that from him.
I'll take whatever I want from whoever I want, like I did the slaves.
Damn.
You thought this was a friendly takeover?
Too soon,
this shit's
dude.
hostile.
Too soon.
You know
Well,
what's
too soon for Fledger's people, I guess.
It's too soon for this level 2 vest that I'm wearing, because it's fucked.
Got level 1. You got downed. You gonna get on this bike and we're gonna go to the circle, or?
No, I'm gonna have extreme autism.
That's already been made. I think I do. I just ran into the wall.
I'm just taking some Oxycontin. Let's go.
Billy Mays here.
Shut up.
That's what he died from.
Don't worry about it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm not just saying.
Just trying to drink my energy drink.
That's not gonna happen on this ride.
Listen
I'll make
here,
sure.
chauffeur.
I'm making sure.
Stop it.
I'm making sure it's not gonna happen.
It's already been. I already drank it. Listen, I don't have any like means of like protection on the back of this other than these fucking sharp ass love handles, but I thought that was a person.
That is.
Holy shit. Holy shit! The bike almost just landed on your head.
I know. It was perfect, wasn't it?
Up above me. Right above me. 260.
See him.
On this hill.
One down close. Healing. His friends to your left. Right there on the rocks, dude. Thank you. Come get me. Another one. West. In the house.
Jump.
Been nothing but shooting the wall. See ya. There's 5. Boy! Fuck out of my goddamn house. Village.
That legit scared me, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shit. Oh my god, that was
I
fucking...
thought that was it. I was like, here it comes. And it was... Nah, but it was just you.
That was fucking priceless. Oh, that yell. That was fucking good shit.
I told you, I was like legit shook. I was like, oh, I'm dead. This dude's gonna fucking BM me right here on the floor. I'm calling it right now, and it was just you.
Oh, that was good. That's good shit.
It's like stopping yourself mid-orgasm. It's just pathetic.
It's just pathetic.
Oh, fuck.
Fucking pathetic, man.
So many bodies here, dude.
No, we just came cleaned house, though.
Tiger stripe ass fucking M4 is this?
Got a vest, now I just need a fucking helmet worth of shit.
I just need me some attachment.
I wouldn't be surprised if other people were here.
I mean, everybody's fucking dead.
No. Will you get off all my shit?
Oh, dude. Move your feet. Lose your seat. Slow ass.
Oh, wow. Forgot we were in middle school.
Night, I remember.
Dude, shut the fuck up.
It is like stuck in my head harder than fucking.
So you coming over tomorrow?
No.
Fuck your friend's birthday party.
Fuck you.
We have way more fun.
No, I'm about to get turned up.
Turned up and then fucking dumped. Dumped. You're gonna be like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, if I sound like you.
Yep. I do whatever.
Is 24 no longer like a ground spawn?
I just saw one like fucking a game ago.
Like,
it's definitely a ground spawn. Like, you're a groundhog. Blue's coming in. Let's go. How many kills you got, dude?
2.
Oh my god, pick the fucking shit up.
Dude, shut up before I shit in your mouth.
Oh my god.
Like, hardcore.
Last time you had fucking 9 were all off of my fucking hits. Oh, guy in compound right below me.
I'm coming.
Fuck! He just leaned and got his back to me.
Hold your titties, baby. I'm on the way.
Fucking A, dude.
Dude, just stay in the blue. Better to be in the blue than to be dead. Bill Nye the Science Guy, circa 2019. Where is he at? Where's homie at?
He was over here in this corner, 210.
Damn it, didn't make the jump. Which corner? Do you remember?
It was 210. He was searching on the wall like he lost his dog.
Where the fuck his nuts go?
265, I think, up the hill.
Are you sure?
That'd be my only guess where Douche Canoe would go. He's got to run out of it.
I mean, anybody
Could be right up here, actually.
Immediate surrounding area. 360. Nope, nobody in here. That was anti-fire.
One down.
Where? Where?
By himself. I think that was him. I don't know where his friend's at. R90.
Well, he just got BM'd and his buddy ain't here to save him. Circle's moving again.
Got this. I want to say that was a dude I saw leaning, but I'm not sure. But it makes sense that he had a car 98 because that's just the way he stood still for a second. I had him lined up. And I was like, oh, wait, missed. Almost pulled the trigger. Let's wait on this circle, dude. We have to win this.
Or
I
what?
got 6 kills already.
Or what?
Or what the hell?
Right in front of me! Ah! They're at 340. He's got the M24.
Dead.
I want it.
Got 7 kills. I'll cover you.
Oh shit, it's probably getting 4 times off my gun. Do you? I had it 6 times. Pain pills.
I have it 4 times if you need it.
I'm good. Like I said, I got it 6 times. Alright, let me heal.
Oh, the circle's right here.
Just took that M24 to the mouth.
Didn't hurt you much.
It's because when I saw him, I jumped and he hit me right in the fucking dick. I literally turned around and he was peeking behind the tree and I freaked out and jumped and he shot me right in the dick. I know he had my mouth lined up.
The good thing we move as much as we move.
Who the fuck is calling me? I'm gonna put this shit on speaker. Hello?
No.
Well, I'm hanging up. I don't care about you. First thing that she says, don't hang up. I'm like, fuck you.
Don't hang up. There's a special emergency. You have 5 felonies out of New York, and you need to turn yourself into local law enforcement officers. You gotten that call yet?
Yeah, dude, I get them all the time. I once called that number back so many fucking times he literally disabled his phone. Like
It was a recording.
Yeah, I know. I call. Yeah, it's some you have 5 allegations against your name, and you will be taken in by the local cops.
Yeah.
Who says local cops?
I don't know, but I liked it.
Yeah, so I called him back like a fucking bunch of times, and it was always, you know, some Indian dude from India trying to IRS scam me in the middle of September.
That's just like, just fucking stopping halfway through coming. That's just pathetic.
He's like, I work for the IRS, and we got, you're missing your tax returns. I was like, you're calling me about this now, in the middle of September. You're like late, dude. And
it would have been funny if he goes, the IRS don't sleep, nooka.
Yeah, no, and I sit there and I fuck with him. I got a dude in the house. 235. Next compound over on the crossroad right there, that cross T. He's in that first house with the corner window. I just saw him. I was gonna take a shot, but he laid down. But yeah, no, I called this. He kept hanging up on me after I was making fun of him, and I called him back so many fucking times that I literally got this message: the number you were trying to reach has been disconnected from the network. He literally shut his phone off.
Awesome.
He's peeking out that window, but I don't know what the fuck he's looking for.
Probably me.
Show his head. I think he saw something. He peeked really hard, and then he just stopped, and then he went back into hiding.
Probably saw me running across the street.
Nope, he definitely saw me. Yep, he sees me. Just wait for that. It's a hit. Pushing. Push.
It's hit multiple times.
I'm gonna push right. I thought that was a smoke behind us.
No, it's in front of us.
Out the window. Yeah, he smoked the window. Might be moving. Changing position.
Someone fucking next to me?
I don't see nobody.
No, there's someone like right next to me.
Where? You sure? Right next to you where? In the house?
No, in the grass. I don't understand. Those gunshots sounded like fucking footsteps right next to me.
I don't see nobody. We can circle moving. We gotta move.
I really think there's somebody like right here in this like watery, mushy shit.
Watch the house, dude. He's gotta move too.
Going to this big rock. I fucking hate this. I'm so wide open. It's disgusting.
Where the fuck did that dude go?
Get in the circle.
Fuck, I don't have surrounding immediate cover.
I'm using this fucking center ass rock.
Yeah, watch that. I don't know where that dude was that's in that house.
He's not there. He ain't fucking there.
Where the fuck did he go?
He probably ran out the back and he's up on the top of this hill. 210-ish.
You might be right.
It's his only way out. We'd have seen him. Next circle's... You're in it. I'm running past you in front. See if I can draw someone out. Those shots are 145.
Got a guy in a fucking 235 in the grass, bush suit, top of the hill on the edge of the circle. I think he's got an AWM. He definitely has an AWM. Hit me right in the mouth. 235. He's in a ghillie suit. He's on the edge of the circle on the top of the hill. I just saw him like shuffling, and that's how I caught him. I hit him with mine. I don't know where I hit him, but he's got an M or an AWM.
Let's hope he just gave himself up to somebody right next to him. Like that guy. Yep, he did. I see one running 200. He's way in the back.
I got a shot on that.
Better go high up the hill, but there's people up here.
Oh, edge of the circle. Running down the hill. Southwest. He's behind that tree right there on the right. Tagged him once.
Dead.
We got edge again. This is fucking terrible, dude. It's so bright out here, it gives us away.
So there's one at fucking south. I know for a fact he's south.
This is fucking high ground too, dude. There's gotta be a guy on the top of the hill too.
There's one. 175 right hut. Dead. Headshot. Game! Game!
Game!
9 kills, boy. Woo! Got how many?
2.
Fledger, thank you for the biddies.
Fuck Fledger.
9 kills. That was a fucking banging game right there.
Bang!